Good day, traders. This is Movie FX. So let's quickly discuss about these four pairs ahead of the news, and I'm going to show you the news that we have today. So I think we have PMI, we have FOMC, and so on like that. So let's see what is pumping in the market. So before we move forward, let's quickly make some review on our um that is our US 30 that we analyze on the first of this month. So let's quickly go back to our charts. Yeah. So this is the US 30, and we actually made our analysis here. And if you could remember, you can go to the YouTube and rewatch the video, or you can actually watch it on the Telegram group. I dropped the video there. So we have a double top somewhere here, and we have the price. The price actually was at this level, and we have a fair value gap here. You understand? So, and I told you that the market maker may move the price up, we shoot the price up before dragging it down, so that they want to liquidate all those that are selling at this area. And it's actually happened. You can see that they move the price, they drag the price up hugely here before dropping it down. So it's actually called pump and dump. So if they don't pump the price, they won't dump it. So that is what's called pump and dump. So if you are, and if you are doing this kind of, if you are on this kind of trade, you understand, you need to wait. You need to wait. And especially during our UK session on the first, we don't have much momentum in the market. So you don't take trade when you are seeing small candle here around here. You don't take trade. So you wait for a push, then a very big candle. After this close of this candle, then you can actually take your trade here. And you can see from here to this level now, we have about 200 and 2051 point 2513 points. That is what we have. That is huge money from there. So you can see they drag the price back up to retest this level. You understand? And ever since then, it has been consolidating. So, and I already took my own partial profit at this level when I saw, because this very huge drop here is too huge for me, because I know that once they dump this huge candle here, they're going to move the price back, because some traders may enter their sell here. You understand? So they try to induce the trader here and then take them out before heading down again. So I actually want to wait for a very beautiful setup before taking the sell, but the sell is still active. I'm telling you, it's still active, right? At least right to this area. So it's good. We are gonna for this month, we are gonna close all this space down here. The price is gonna feel it, you understand? But remember, when the price, no matter how the market dump, is gonna pump again. You understand? Dump, pump again, dump, pump again. So sometimes market don't go straight down. You understand? No matter how it goes drastically down, it's gonna move up again. You understand? Just have that one at the back of your mind. So that is for the US 30. Then let's go back to our USD JPY. So you can see this is my USD JPY, and I have a technical view on it, and my bias is telling me I should buy. You understand? Ahead of the news, because I have a very important news today. I have a very important news today. So now let's quickly make some technical analysis here. So look at the December 27. As at December 27, we have a very huge rejection candle at this level. You understand? Telling us that our new month want to start with a bullish momentum. So I want to start with a bullish momentum. So now you can see, as I told you, don't forget, if you have a huge drop down here, you understand? The market maker tried to take out some traders. In fact, it happened to me yesterday, because I took this trade here. I actually took this trade somewhere here. You understand? And when I have this close candle, I lock my entry, and this very candle just dropped me down. and it was hit my entry level here. So I don't mind. But I was, I was asleep during the Asia session. That was when all this one printed. Are you getting me? And they just tried to retest this level. That is our current monthly low here. Retested it and tried to move up again. So I'm looking at where I'm gonna where I'm considering to take my profit is around this price area. That is a 144.450 area. That is where I'm looking to take my profit, because I know that during the US they're gonna push the price up. There's no how. I don't want to know either the news is negative or positive. Forget about it. They're gonna push it up. News is actually is not to determine the direction of the market. You understand? So technical analysis most time determine the direction of the market. But news will always push the market. It will push it, it give it that power, that liquidity, you understand, that momentum to push the market faster to where is directing to its destination. That is what news actually did. So most of the time, news don't. If you see the news, news could drop positive, and if you look at your chart, it will be negative. And sometimes it will drop negative. If you look at your chart, it will be positive. Most of the time, the big boys in the market use news to actually distract traders, especially the retail traders. So that is what they did. So sometimes that's where you see stop hunts, like this kind of thing. That is stop hunt. You can see that when the market is dropping here drastically, look at this last candle here. And you know that some traders may want to sell around this level now. You can see they move the market, but they drag the market back. This is what's called a stop hunt. You can see they drag the market back up to make sure that they take out all those that are selling here. You understand? That is what news did. That's what, look, go and check this time. This very time we have, that is on the 7th of November. I mean December. So around 4 p.m. Look, go and check it. You will see news there. Go back to your if you have any news calendar, go back and check. You will see news here. You see that it was news. It was during the news that we actually have this very choppy market. You understand? So most of the time when the market, I love it when the news is actually going in direction of what I projected. Are you getting me? So technically, we have a very good rejection here, and the market push up and make it drop down here, but it cannot break this very rejection at this 147.50. It cannot break it. So it's letting us know that letting us know that the price already it's look overextended. So there's no how the US will not try to regulate their price, their dollar against the Japanese yen. You understand? So, and you can see if you take a look at it, the Japanese yen has been, has been overpower US for like since November. I think since November till this end. You understand? You can see it has been overpowering it. So, and they will not, the US bank will not be open their eyes and see that and allow uh the Japanese yen to actually be taking control of their money. So they will not allow that. So that is why you see that they are trying to regulate the price back at least to some level here. So, and technically, I'm looking at this level because that is where I see my structure. So that is where I saw my first structure here. You understand? At this level. And you can see this same structure tested here was tested around this level as well. You understand? So, or the price could drastically move up to this level, to this place. That is where I have my main structure. So this is my major structure here, and this is actually my minor structure. And you can see what is different between major structure and minor structure. The major structure will test that the price will test that level like 2 to 3 times. You can see this is the first. We have support here, support here, support here, resistance here, support here, then also support at this level, support again before dropping down. So the price could break this minor level here and go to the major, and that is exactly where we have our previous monthly low. I mean, yeah, previous monthly low. That is where we have November low. You understand? So now I'm actually buying at this level now. So move up here. The price could get here. Maybe like let me see how many pips are generating there. That's about 400 pips. So to this level we have 200 pips here. 400 pips. So it could take today is Wednesday, right? It could take from now till Friday before we know what the market is going to do next. So now let's go back to our USD card. USD card currently is hanging somewhere. Maybe probably they are waiting for the news to see either they are going to push the price up or take it down to retest this level. But as I'm saying it, I'm projecting actually to this level here. That is where I'm projecting as well. So that's where I'm projecting. I'm longing the card as well. Then let's go to the Euro USD. As you can see, our Euro USD, let's go to our H4. As you can see, these are Euro USD. The Euro USD is sell because we already have a change in the direction of the market. You understand? And let's go back to our 1 hour time frame. You can see we have higher high. We have the first high, the second high here. But this high, we cannot see another high. So this high actually failed before we have this drop down. So this drop down close all this level, all this high here. Then we have a pushback here before the price started descending. So I'm looking at this price level here, that is 1.0714, exactly at our previous monthly low. That is our this is our December low here. These are December low. So it may come to this low here before heading up again, or it may break this structure here. Look at the structure tested 3 times. 1, 2, yes, then 3, 4. You understand? So it may come back to this structure. It's definitely gonna feel all this level. You're gonna feel this, but you need to be very, very patient. You need to be very, very patient, extra patient, because there may be a pump before dumping it. So you need to be very, very patient. The same thing goes with our GBP. So currently you can see GBP is trying to reverse. You see that it's trying to make a reversal. That is a pullback. It may make a pullback to this level here before heading down. I don't really I'm not really sure of this GBP, but currently the euro is down. Currently the euro is down, so we may see a pullback to this level before heading down again. You can see we may see a pullback because we have a very strong level at this place. So the market may drag it, move it up here, but in as small as the market did not break this level, it's still a bearish. So this is just a pullback. You understand? It's going to make a pullback before heading down. This is where we are, projecting our major turnover. If you're going to see any turnaround, it's going to be at this price level. That's exactly 1.24990. So, and don't forget this logic. If you can analyze your GBP USD very well and get it, the same thing with the euro and the same thing with the AUD USD. But the only difference there is that the one may be slower than other. So like if you sell euro USD now, it may be slow. The move may be faster than AUD USD, or maybe faster than GBP USD. But they are going to, I'm promising you this. This is my personal experience. They are going to go the same direction. You understand? They will go the same direction, but it may be slower than other, because when currently the euro is down, are you getting me? And the AUD and the GBP is a little bit stronger than euro right now. So later, when their power now come down, they're gonna bearish as well. You understand? So, but you need to wait and make sure that you don't over leverage. So if you want to trade these 3 pairs at the same time, because they were correlated, so they actually most of the time they go in the same direction. You can go back to your chart and then try to backtest it. So you can check all the chart, picture them out, and read it. You will see what I'm saying. If you take a look at this huge price now, this huge move, it was on the 13th of December. Come to the Euro USD. Let's check our 13. You can see what is happening. You can see 12 and 13. Okay, this is 21. Okay, this is on the 13. You can see that the same thing actually happened that day. I'm giving you a very big secret right now. Look at the AUD too. You understand? So they were correlated most of the time. They used to be correlated. So that is this for now, guys. So don't over leverage. Don't be scared. to take the risk. Just make sure that you understand this business very well before you actually try dive into it. Make sure that you, please, I'm begging you, there is nothing like scam in Forex. It's a very, very open business that you can do anytime. You understand? But you need to learn it. You need to learn it now. Make sure you get it. You know what you are doing. It is not, all these copy trading, whatever. There's nothing like knowing it yourself, how to, that when you employ a driver, it's different from when you actually driving yourself. You understand? So if you don't know how to drive and you actually employ a driver, it can be make you can tell you that it's not working again. You understand? So, but when you know how to drive, you know, when you know how to drive, you can drive yourself to anywhere. You will be free from driving from that fear of driving. But if you have a driver and you don't know how to drive, you may be scared at all. This driver may just be in the middle of the road and say that Oga, I'm no more going, boss, I'm no more going. So please, just take your car and find your way. You understand? But if you know how to do it, it won't be new to you. You understand? If you say that he's not doing anymore, you enter your car and drive yourself to wherever you're going. So that is the same thing with this. In anything you are doing in life, don't jump into it. Don't look for shortcuts, please. Look for somebody that know it very well, technically, and they know what they are doing. They understand the market. You understand? That is, find a very good mentor to learn from. If you learn from a mentor, it will be very, very faster for you, and you will quickly understand it than trying to look for shortcuts like buying signal, all those kind of things. That is why you see me, I don't send the signal into the blue, because if I send signal, you may not know how to even manage it. There's a difference between, taking a trade and know how to manage it. If I send you signal, maybe buy or you should sell, you may not know how to even manage it. You understand? And you may be scared and so on like that. And my criteria that I say before I buy or sell, it will not suit your own. So until when you learn it, when you learn the process, you now pick which one is okay for you. Are you going to be a swing trader? Are you going to be a day trader, or just want to be scalping? You understand? Or you just want to have the three experience, the three knowledge. You can have it. You can have it all, because depending on what the market is saying, sometimes you scalp, sometimes you day trade, sometimes you leave the market to run. You swing it for like 1 week, 3 days, and so on like that. So that is it, guys. Use this is your 2024 to study the market very well. If you're really passionate about it and you don't look for shortcuts, make sure that you learn it very well, very, very well, and make sure that there are a lot of opportunities in the market. We have a pro firm, we have pro firms, many, many pro firms like that, that if you don't have much capital, you can actually subscribe, to them and collect account from them. And if you know how to trade, you can profit from it, and you know, make a living and do whatever you want to do. And you can use that to build your own personal account. That is it. So that is it for now, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your love. I appreciate your trust. May the market be with you. Bye.